welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I am going to be doing a huge, is it huge? I mean kinda. I'm going to be doing a makeup haul for you guys. I'm going to say in April I did buy a ton of makeup. I've just been, ever since the quarantine and everything, I've just been more inspired to do more makeup. So before this video goes up, I think I will have uploaded my brow routine and this makeup look that you see here, and they're going to be separate videos because my brows take a long time, and then incorporating those into like makeup videos is a lot. So but this isn't about that. This is about all the stuff that I got from Sephora, from Juvia's place, and P. Louise and LA Colors. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off with my stuff from Juvia's place. So I picked up this Juvia's place Saharan blush palette because I realized I don't have that many blush palettes. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. This is really pretty. Really pretty blush palette. Like blushes like this would be really pretty on deeper complexions. Super dark but kind of a plummy brown. And these are shimmers, so those could be used as a highlight or eyeshadow. So it's kind of different than what I was expecting because it's been a while since I've ordered this stuff, probably a few weeks. So this looks pretty good. Okay, was that a blush palette? Yeah, I ordered 2 blush palettes from Juvia's place. Oh, I tore it up already. Okay, so this is the other blush palette that I picked up. This one is volume 2. The first one I showed you was volume 1. Okay, so this is what volume 2 looks like. Okay, so this is more for me. I feel like it has like shades I can wear on my cheeks and it not be overpowering. Yes, this shade right here, it's gonna be a really nice blush shade. Like all 3 of those, and I could use this. This is a really good transition shade for when I'm doing eyeshadow. This will be good on the lid. And this right here, this could be used as a highlighter because this is a shimmer. I ran out of the shades that I really use in concealer from Juvia's place, so I picked up 13 and 15. I really love the doe foot applicator on this. So as far as foundation, I have like 3 or 4 of them, and I still don't have my perfect shade, so I would have to mix them. And then this one is lighter. This is 15 and this is 13. So I think it's good to have all shades of concealer because you can use them as, you can use them to cut your crease and all kinds of stuff. You can use it as base. But 13 is like my go-to shade when I'm doing under my eye, but I haven't been using it for a long time because I had to re-up. I tend to use a lighter foundation as my concealer. Okay, so that was everything from Juvia's place. So I did purchase some shadow bases from P. Louise. I discovered P. Louise like 2 years ago, and that was when I was really doing like the, you know, heavy cut creases and colorful stuff. So I needed a really good base, and I was watching Rocio's channel. She does a lot of beautiful like colorful eyeshadow looks, and she swears by the P. Louise base. So I picked up some back then, but I lost like a couple of them. So I went back and they have extended their shades. So I have 04 and 05, Rumor 04 and Rumor 05. Some of their colorful bases. I have orange here. I actually have already used this in a look, and I'll probably insert a picture. That orange look I wore with Letitia, that wig. I use this as like my base for that look. And I also picked up their Winter Rose, which is this beautiful pink shade, and I cannot wait to do a pink look with this. The possibilities are endless, really. You can do like a simple blown out pink look, like I usually do, like a smoky look like that, or you can do like more detailed work with this stuff. If you are somebody who likes to do cut creases and more artistic looks with your makeup, I would highly recommend trying out the P. Louise base. But you can also do more like golden neutral kind of looks and stuff with it as well. Okay, and so let me zoom in because I'm excited about these. Okay, so I picked up these neon liners from LA Girl. So some of them are lip liners. Like, let me see which ones are lip liners. Okay, so some of these are lip liners and some of them are eyeliner pencils. But I'm using all of them as eyeliner pencils for now because I've been doing like more detailed, more artistic looks with my eyeshadow, and I thought these would be perfect. The neon orange and the hot pink are lip liners, but with the look that I did today, I actually used it as a eyeliner for my waterline. And then we have these other colors. I have two neon yellows. I don't know why. This mint blue. I have purple, dark green, and then, you know, the neon orange and hot pink. And I'm super excited to do some looks with these, y'all. So, and lastly, I placed an order at the end of April from Sephora, and it took a long time for my order to get here. As I'm filming this, it is May 9th, and I think it took like 2 weeks to get to my house, actually. I asked people on my Instagram story some foundations that they liked, and I had the intent of ordering foundations from Sephora, but Sephora sells higher end foundations, and I was like, I want to be sure about my foundation shade and everything before I purchase anything. So I decided not to get any foundations, but I got the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I got it in the travel size. I got the translucent setting powder in translucent, so it's just like a neutral, it's like a neutral shade. It has a little bit of color to it. It's like a light yellow. Child, I am turning 30 on May 15th, so I am starting to look into like eye creams and stuff like that. And I have the Banana Bright eye cream, and it comes in this package here. This is supposed to brighten, hydrate, and be age defying. It has vitamin C and it's collagen boosted, and it's a brightening eye cream. So I'm gonna start using this so I can stay youthful out here. So this is what the eye cream looks like here. Wonder, does it have a smell? It does have a slight smell to it. It's kind of sweet. I really like the smell of it. And that's what it looks like in there. So hopefully I like it. If I do, it'll probably be in a favorites video. Everybody talks about the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, so I decided to pick that up finally. I have it in the smaller size because I know some people have it in the bigger size, but I have it in this small size here, and everybody loves it. So I'm assuming this is more hydrating. This is more of a hydrating primer, and I do have more dry skin lately. I used to be super oily, but I'm having more dry skin, so excited to try this. Okay, so throughout this whole quarantine, my lips have been super dry, so I picked up some stuff from Laneige, and this is their lip sleeping mask. So you put this on at night, and you're supposed to, you know, wake up with softer lips. Little spatula here to apply it on your lips, and this is what the actual packaging looks like here. Let's take this off. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells really good. It has like this berry scent to it. Laneige Glowy Balm, and this is in the peach flavor. So let me take this out. I just wanted something to go with the sleeping mask, and this was like $18 when you can just get like a cheap, you know, chapstick. And I hopefully it's worth it, especially this one. I hope they work well together. And then I picked up two glosses from Fenty because I needed to re-up on my Fenty Glow lip gloss. And I also picked up the Glass Slipper, which is a clear one from Fenty, because I love that clear look, like a super glossy lip. So I picked up Fenty Glow. That's the one I've tried twice before. And then this one is Glass Slipper. Alright y'all, so that was everything from my current makeup haul. I did do a skincare haul from this one company. I might show you guys that as well in a future video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me some stuff I should be looking at, like some makeup I should consider buying down below that you love. Whether it's foundation, whether it's eyeshadow palettes, anything, just tell me down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.